Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I will tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So guys, if you are facing this problem, then how can you fix it? So guys, let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply close this page. Now after that guys, what we need to do, we have to just simply open settings. Now tap on profile, and from here just simply tap on sign in and security. And after that guys, you have to just simply tap on change password and simply enter your iPhone password. And after that just simply change your iPhone password and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then what you need to do, you have to just simply close this page, and after that just simply open settings, scroll it below, then tap on journal, tap on software update, and you have to make sure that there is no update on your device. If there have any update, then update it first and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then what you need to do, you have to just simply close this page. Now open any browser, search here for Apple Spot, and after that guys, open this and select your device from here, and after that scroll it below, and here you can see guys, get support. Tap on this, start now, and after that just simply tap on more and scroll it down and search here for Apple ID disabled. Tap on this, tap on continue, and here you can see guys, unlock your account. You can unlock your account by changing or resetting the password for your Apple ID. So guys, scroll it down, and here you can see guys, you can call to the Apple team and tell your problem, and they will help you to fix your problem. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.